Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you Lotus candle holder. For this, take air dry clay. Roll out the clay. Place the candle on the clay and cut slightly larger circle than the candle. Roll out the clay. Use any circular cap to cut the clay. To make the petal, press the top part as shown. Attach the petal to the base by pushing the lower part. Place 7 petals to complete the first layer. Do 2 more layers in the same process. Using a toothpick, make the center part of the lotus rough. Do the same on the circular clay so that they stick well to each other. Let it dry as per the instructions of your air dry clay. Now paint the lotus. Let the paint dry and it is ready to use.